Hello, it's the Anti-Noobist, and this is a set review of 8958 Granite Grinder. This is my biggest power miner set and my second one, and let's start with the box. It's just a box, but I don't think it shows that on either side of the box that, well, it does, not in the catalog. In the catalog it doesn't show that it goes back and forth when it moves. Just on the front. Negotiator. Now, the vehicle. This is a good vehicle because, as I said, when you move it, the jackhammer moves. And it looks more like a huge orange cattle prod than a jackhammer, but it's a jackhammer. And I did a few little mods, like taking off the gas tanks, taking off the spotlight, because it already has lights right there, and put a gun right there. And his Space Marine helmet, I replaced it with just a beanie. And got some cool pieces, like, I don't think that piece, like, it moves and the wheels move. I don't think it's in many other sets. And so, this set gets, pretty much a 9.8 out of 10, but, oh yeah, and there, I don't have the rock monster and the bucket thing on it right now because I need them for something else. But yeah, a 9.8 out of 10 because it's great, except the only problem is there was a spotlight there, and those gas tanks didn't really belong there. So yeah, it's a pretty good set. I do recommend buying it, because it's good for its price, and two-sided head. Yeah,